Test mic, test mic, test mic, test. Alright, so you might... wait.
Okay.
So you might be wondering what kind of sardines we have now. This is our fish in tomato sauce. Oh, it's not actually sardine, but it's a fish. What kind of fish? I have no idea, but it looks like sardines to me. And this is from Vietnam. Vietnamese fish in tomato sauce. So we were gonna make 2 recipes from this. It's an easy open can, which is good. And yeah, I hope this tastes the same like Ligo sardines, or I don't know. I hope they all taste the same. But yeah, let's try cooking this. And by the way, I just want to remove the sticker. Never mind. So we were gonna be making 2 recipes as what I've said. I just keep on repeating that. The first recipe is alright, so ladies and gentlemen, I'm so disappointed. Not so disappointed, just so because it's 2 only. What? I'm expecting like 4 or 5 maybe, but yeah, it's just 2, and it's okay. We can't help it. That's their product, and it's too huge. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just, obviously this is for the first recipe and this is the second recipe. We're just gonna check if there's still bone. Yes. Why am I doing this? Okay, there's bone, so you can eat this actually, but I don't want. Let's just keep it. That what makes it interesting. Anyway, you can remove the bones if you'd like to, but if you don't want, then it's totally fine. So yeah, this is our budget friendly indeed.
Okay.
Alright, so that was recipe number 1. Did you find it good? Did you find it delightful? You think that was a budget friendly? You think it will be tasty if you make it? Just leave a comment, let me know. Alright, thank you so much. Now for our recipe number 2, the idea is very common and you can make it at home, surely. But the question is, would you try it? Would you do it with your sardines? Not just the sardines that I'm using right now, but any sardines that you can find at your home. Would you try it? You ready? Let's go.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, not fucking likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains. I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things. Gonna make a fucking name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain. I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste, bitch, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate, bitch, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking fight me.
Alright, so recipe number 2 is done. Standing ovation na lang tayo yun kasi why not coconut. Okay, so dry muna natin siya. Pwede masyadong oily. The thing is, it doesn't look the same sa lumpia wrapper that we have in the Philippines. I don't appreciate, hindi ko siya gusto. Hirap na mga dislike na. I don't appreciate, pero maganda siya sa mga convenience store yung wrapper nila, but the wrapper in supermarket compared in the Philippines, mas gusto ko yung sa Philippines. Anyway, let's try. I have here the classic ketchup for sauce. Wait, sana pala, parang blurred ako. Blurred lines. Dapat para walang soy sauce. Yung may soy sauce na. Ay, yung walang soy sauce. What? Yun, no?
Malalasahan mo talaga yung sardinas. Ba't ako nagtatagalog? Now, let's just try this. By the way, I have my Leica, kaya ako nagtatagalog para ma-practice ako. Anong relate? Anyway, Tagalog ulit tayo. Malalasahan mo talaga yung sardinas compare doon sa siomai na nangingibabaw ang amoy at lasa ng bawang. Dito naman, nangingibabaw ang amoy at lasa ng sardinas. Kung hindi nyo gusto ang amoy or lasa ng sardinas, ibig sabihin, hindi ito ang recipe para sa inyo. Tapos, gusto ko rin yung anong Tagalog ng crunchy? Pagkalutong ng carrots. Anong Tagalog ng carrots? At saka ng cabbage. Anong Tagalog ng carrots at cabbage? Ayun. Repolyo ang cabbage. Patatas ang potatoes. Anyway, crispy siya kasi di natin siya parang hindi siya parang siyang blanch pero parang no budget show way. Parang tamad way. Tamad ba si no budget show? Parang hindi naman ata. Parang ano lang siya. Imbes na magpakulo ka ng tubig tapos ibagsak mo doon. Parang binaliktad natin. Nagpakulo tayo ng tubig, binagsak natin sa gulay tapos yung alam nyo na yung ginawa natin. Anyway, sa siomai at saka ito, mas prefer ko itong lumpia. Although, nag-crave ako ng siomai, naparami lang talaga ang bawang. Mahilig naman ako sa bawang, pero masyadong naparami lang talaga kanina. Kaya, everything is good.
Thank you for finishing the video, and if you want more videos from this channel, please do subscribe and hit that bell and everything, dang 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 dang. And if you're not yet part of the small fam that I'm trying to make, join the button. Yes, and videos, but other interesting videos over there. Thank you so much, and see you to our next video.